Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we will learn how to make a material bin in Solidworks software. These bins are basically used to carry material from one workstation to another workstation in the factory or the company. So let's get started with the model. Take new, take part, change the unit to millimeters, take the front plane, sketch or take the top plane and sketch, take the center rectangle command, okay, smart dimension, take it as 550 and the width of 350. Okay, uh, now take a fillet of 20 and apply it in all edges. Okay, now extrude it to a height of 290 from mid plane. Okay, now take shell command and shell it by 20 thickness. Okay, now take this side face, take the line command, make a profile, close it. Now give the dimensions, give it as 100, this also 100, and give it as 240. By default this will be 310 and give a depth of 40. To make it centered, select center and it's centered. Take a vertical relation, go to features, extrude cut this profile through all. Okay, now make a profile on right side or the left side. Take slot command, take smart dimensions, give a depth of 40, thickness of slot of 30, and this says 70. Exit this command. Now take center and okay, it is fully defined now. Take extrude cut, make it through. Okay, now half profile is made. Now take this face, sketch, convert entities, take offset entities, reverse its direction and give a thickness of 5. For now, take feature extrude cut, give a cut of 15 depth. It is selecting reverse profile, so select the inner one. Now cut it. Now take a sketch on this face, line command, make one line like this, do it normal. Delete this. Take a line till here and hit center. And offset this by let's say 70. Offset this line by 70 bi-direction. It's overlapping. Offset it by 70. Okay. Now take line here, make a straight line. Similarly on this profile. Now make a line at center. Like this. Do it convert entity, otherwise it will not make a closed profile. Take offset, give it as 2.5. Similar this. Offset, set, offset them all. Similarly offset this and offset these lines as well, and don't give it bi-directional, give it one direction. And profile, okay. Similarly this, it will be bi-directional of 2.5. All is made. Now trim this. And take it till this edge. Make it normal. Make a line here. Okay. Similarly here. Okay. And trim this. We can trim these profiles. Trim these. Just making it unconstrained. So trim these. Don't trim the center one. Make it like that. Okay. Now take extrude feature. Select this. Select this profile, this. Only select the ribs which have been made here. This one, this one. Please select this. This. Select all of them. Do it for all the profiles. Select these profiles as well, so as it will cover all. Now this upper one and the side profiles. This is complete. So take the 15 and OK. Similarly, we will do for the side face. Sketch, take a center line. No, you will take a cut first. So select this face, convert entities, offset of 5. Take it, don't select bidirectional, reverse direction of 5 mm. OK. Now feature, extrude cut, reverse, the inner profile has to be cut. So OK. 15 depth. So it will look like this. Now select the inner face, sketch, take line command, take center line. Now take a line with a distance of 70. Similarly, now take a line with this face, touching the slot, or it will be the grabbing handle for this pin. Similarly for at bottom side. OK. Now mirror this line with the help of center line. OK. Now take a line at center of this profile. So let it be 132. I think the center is 264 by 2. Okay. Let us check. The center distance is 280. So the center will be 140. It is 140. Okay. Now it's similar to the pin. Okay, all profiles have been made. So it's almost complete. Now take the offset command, bidirectional 2.5, this line, and this line. Okay. Now for these offset, don't take it bidirectional, it's incorrect. So for the upper one, so undo it. Now again take offset, take it reverse direction, take it one by one, offset of this. Okay, take it 5 mm. Now similarly for this, reverse the direction. Okay, now it's complete. Take the extrude command, take convert entities, so it will make the close entities. Extrude all these profiles, select all of them one by one, so as it will make a profile of ribs as we did for the side profile. Okay, this profiles, so it will start showing the ribs as you will reach to the completion. Okay, similarly for these, it will take a bit of time. Now these profiles, the bottom one and it's the center one, it's complete. So take it up to 15. Okay, so it's done now. Now we have to make center planes to mirror these profiles. Take plane command, select this face and select the opposite face. It will make a center plane. Similarly do for side one, this face, and deselect this, select this face. Okay, now take mirror of, select the features, this boss extrude and this cut, select the plane. This plane will be the correct one. Okay, it's done. You can have a look now. Similarly for this cut and boss extrude, select these features, this boss extrude and this cut, take plane, this plane, center plane. Okay, the plane is almost complete. Give radius of 15, the inner edges, select this one, and one edge is of outer, so you have to deselect that, deselect this one. Okay, now the plane is ready. When visibility should be off of planes. Now assign it a color. We will assign it a blue color. Mostly the planes are of blue color. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe the channel.